Welcome back to Kooshdaakaa Garage, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am, because I am chilling in the camper in Prince Wales, Alaska with my dog, Yeti. She's a little tired. We just came back from a pretty good hike down the mountain. We're here at the Goblin Inn, and we just hiked back a ways and down just to get old Yeti a little bit of exercise. And the sun has finally poked its head out. I've been back home on the island for almost 3 weeks, and it's been raining pretty steadily, and it's finally drying out. And I have saved a bottle of champagne for the past week, waiting for a nice sunny day to pop that open and enjoy some mimosas in the sun. We're going to do some cranberry mimosas, and then I'm going to chef up some poor man's fried rice. Why is it poor man's? Well, because I pretty much didn't bring anything with me that I need as far as seasonings and flavors go. I got some rice, some sausage, egg, salt and pepper. I don't even have butter, oil, soy sauce, nothing. But I'm hungry, and it's almost 4 o'clock, and first meal of the day. So better make it a good one, right? Okay, let's get this bottle popped. Okay, every time I pop one of these Cook's bottles, it's like a 70% chance it's going to go everywhere. 30% chance it's going to be all right. So maybe I'll try to catch it with some of these trays and see what happens. I'm going to try to be real slow with it. Maybe try to leak some of the air out. I don't know what is up with Cook's, but even if your bottles sit for weeks on end, they still explode everywhere. Try to do it as slow as I can. Ooh, there we go. Oh. Yeah. Come on now. Wants to blow up on me. It's probably the best I've done ever. Sucks to buy a big bottle and have like half of it explode everywhere. Okay. I've been camping up here for 3 days too, so it's not like I just ran up here. That's the time to sit. Might be the best I've done. All right. I didn't lose half the bottle. Oh yeah. Get some of that in there here. Off gas some of that. Good enough. Okay. That's pretty good. All right, let's start. Let's get this pan hot, get some sausages cooking. All right. Pan's not nearly hot enough. Don't care. I'm hungry. Oh, don't need to eat that dog hair. Better do one more. Doing the sausages first, because I don't have any oil. Otherwise I'd do the rice and egg first. Some oil or some butter or something. But I need some oil, so I'm going to extract that from the sausages. We're going to let that cook up a little bit, then we'll get the rice going. Okay, so I got this cooked sticky white rice, medium grain rice, from Costco. I don't know if my ancestors would be proud of me for being innovative or disappointed in my I don't know, just disappointed me for being lazy and not cooking the rice over the stove old school style. Can do it that way. Takes a lot longer. You gotta let your rice sit for at least a half hour. But I seen these in a box already pre-cooked. I'm like, hell yeah, let's do it. Thing is, they're made for camping. Open this up. You either throw it in the microwave, cook all those plastics in the rice like a good American, or you submerge the whole thing like sous vide and you boil it. And it's pretty hard, pretty sticky. It just feels like rubber right now. But I've already made it once like this and it works all right. Just toss that in there, mash it up. I don't have nearly enough oil in here to absorb, but whatever. This is really good. And I got a bunch of eggs from Costco too, the really nice ones, free range eggs, orange yolk, so you know it's got a lot of good carotene in there, a lot of vitamin A carotene. Might even add just a little bit of water in here, just to help absorb. In fact, I think I will. Need some fresh stream water. That'll absorb into the rice. Now the nice thing about this rice and fried rice is that you typically want to use day-old rice anyways. And what it does is it reconstitutes itself and all the oils and juices and stuff from the veggies and whatever oil that you're using, sesame oils, chili oils. I don't have any of that good stuff. I just have good old creek water and friggin' sausages, so that's gonna have to do. Alright. So, that's what it looks like right now. We'll let that reconstitute, cook up a little bit. Once some of that water cooks off and the rice seems edible, I'll toss in my eggs. Okay, got some eggs here that I need to use up. Ooh, that one's got a little crack in it. Sniff test. Still smells all right. Go ahead and set you down here, and I'll probably use 4, maybe 6. I don't know. Oh shit. Yep, that's still good. Seen a video, I said if you crack it like this, it gets everywhere, but if you crack it flat, it won't break the membrane. And you can, yeah, that worked actually. Okay. So, let's do one more here. Okay. Got the eggs in. Got that nice orange color to it. Go ahead and mix that up. I'm going to get you in there, but I don't want to burn my camera. Come on. Oh, have to make do. There we go. You might just call this hot dogs, eggs, and rice, and you would not be wrong, but I'm calling it cooking with Kooshdaakaa, poor man's fried rice. Haven't even added my seasoning yet, but let the eggs cook a little bit first. Turn down the heat to a nice medium. Oh, I'll just turn off the heat. My bad. Get a low heat. Don't want to burn our eggs or make it cook too fast. Okay, so it is almost done. Maybe too much light. It is almost done. Just basically gotta wait for the eggs to cook. Once those are finished cooking, then I'll plate it, season it to taste, and I'll make Yeti a little plate. Because she had a long day, and she needs a little bit of protein, carbohydrates herself. And we're camping, and she's almost 16 years old, so she deserves something good. So I'm just going to give this a couple more minutes and see how it looks. Okay, probably good enough. Get myself a nice healthy portion here. That'll be enough for another meal tomorrow or later today too. Yeti's stomping her paw. She wants some too. Gotta cool off, dog. Get a little for Yeti. Not a whole lot. Okay, let Yeti's cool off. Throw just a little bit of salt on mine. Little bit of pepper, a little bit of tapatios, some weird choice of seasonings, but it'll be good. And weird because you normally don't put tapatios on fried rice, but whatever. I'm camping. This is what I got, and I'm hungry. All right, that is what it looks like. Let's see. It smells good. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay. Yeah, that's edible. I will get down on that for sure. A little mimosa. All right. Welcome to Camping with Kooshdaakaa. There's our set for the day. Mimosas, fried rice, lights, cameras, action. Yeti, waiting in anticipation for her fried rice. And let's not forget the beautiful views of Goblin Inn in Prince of Wales. Opening day for hunting. I was hiking down the mountain. I only seen some does, but only day one, so that's fine. Okay, I think I'm going to chow down on this food, and the wind looks like it's cutting down a little bit, so I might be able to get some drone footage for you, and we're going to call it a day. Yeti approved. Yeti gets all the leftovers.
Brr.